What's going on, guys? It's Jimmy here. Welcome to our daily show where we discuss the fourth stimulus package update, daily news, pretty much everything going on here in our country, Washington, D.C., money, investing, the stock market, everything you need to know on a daily basis. Happy Thanksgiving from our family to your family. You are our extended family. So happy Thanksgiving. Thank you for sharing it with our family here today. My son Julian was on in the last video, and he'll be on in the next video as our special guest, our little our little Thanksgiving turkey. Let me know if you've seen him in the last video, but I think he'll be on in the next video as well, in our next video at 3 p.m. But thanks for sharing your Thanksgiving with us, our extended family. Let me know what you're doing for Thanksgiving here on this special holiday. Are you cooking turkey? Are you cooking anything special? Are you having frozen turkey? I know honestly, sometimes that's easier. If I didn't have a beautiful wife and a family cooking turkey, that's probably what I would be doing. Honestly, I would just be putting in a frozen dinner and be like, yep, that would be my turkey for the day. So that would just honestly be a lot easier for me. Let me know. So let me know what you're doing for Thanksgiving. And thanks for sharing your Thanksgiving here with us. But I'll be having a special guest for you guys in the next video. Also, I want to share some kind of success stories here with our community here. If you don't know, kind of, I take a lot of pride with helping you guys, our family, our extended family here. And honestly, I see a lot of success stories almost pretty much every day here in the comment section. As you know, not only the next stimulus package coming out, there's going to be another stimulus package after that, but I also help you guys out with a lot of, if you know, I'm doing literally daily research here. We have state stimulus check programs coming out, state stimulus programs going out, but also rent assistance, mortgage assistance, utility assistance, and we have that emergency broadband assistance, that internet assistance program going out. And I see comments like this almost on a daily basis. Check this out. I seen this comment here yesterday, and I took this comment, or I took this screenshot here from. Let me see if I can I zoom this in? Yeah, I can zoom this in a little bit here. From Tarsha Green. It says, "Happy Thanksgiving, everyone." She made this comment here. My son and I was blessed with $4,500 of rent assistance here in Jacksonville, Florida. God is good. Congratulations, Tarsha Green. Congratulations. God is good. My congratulations here. I said congratulations and God bless. Yeah, absolutely, congratulations, God bless. I seen this comment last night. I also seen this comment here from Benny Diaz. Says, "Good evening, Jimmy. I am in California. My daughter was approved for $32,000 in rental assistance. $32,000 in rental assistance. Thank you all for the information. Goes to the landlord. My name is Benny from Pacomia, California. $32,000 in rental assistance. That is absolutely amazing. Wow, $32,000. Let me bring that up here. Let me see here. Just trying to think about this. If that's $32,000, let me just think if that's for 12 months here. That's like $2,600 a month. If you know, California can have some very expensive rent. So I'm just gonna kind of guess here that that could be for 12 months. In some places in the country, you can get more than 12 months. You can get like 15 months or so. But I'm just going to guess that that's probably for 12 months. So that could be $2,600 a month in rent assistance. Now, just keep in mind here that a lot of places in California, and even New York, and a lot of places in the country have very expensive rent. I mean, that could be a one bedroom or two bedroom place. $32,000 in rent assistance for Benny's daughter here. So God bless you. Absolutely amazing, Benny Diaz here. In fact, your last name here, Benny Diaz, actually kind of reminds me of a movie, Blue Streak. I think it's back from the 90s, Blue Streak with Martin Lawrence. Diaz is it? Is his name? I won't have you guess that movie because I don't know if anybody will remember that movie, but that's the kind of line he says. Martin Lawrence, one of my old movies I watched way back in the day. I graduated in 1999. I'm 40 years old. I'm going to be turning 41 here. God, on February 23rd. Man, feels like I just the months just keep rolling by here. But yeah, that's I love to see stories like this. I feel like on a daily basis I'm seeing stories like that. But yeah, rent assistance is available in almost every single state. There's a couple states that have paused their rent assistance. I don't know if they're out of rent assistance. I really don't feel like the states have run out of money because the last report I seen, that the states have really not gone through all the money, but alas, there's a couple states that have paused it. Um, but even so, that there's going to be $25 billion more of rent assistance when they pass this next stimulus package fully, in the House, the Senate, and the President signed it. So keep that in mind. If you know how to do it, which I have a video showing you how to do it completely for free. Remember, I don't charge you anything to watch these videos or anything like that. It's free to subscribe. It's free to watch all that stuff like that. And also, just another quick reminder here: be aware of scammers in the comment section. People pretending to be me in the comment section. I haven't had a lot of them lately. If you don't know that, there are on all YouTube channels people trying to scam in the comment section, people trying to pretend to be me in the comment section. I'm very diligent on removing them and banning them. In fact, they haven't actually been on my channel very much because I'm so diligent on banning them. And I actually go and remove all their old comments. If you ever see a scammer and kind of go back to see it, a lot of times you'll see they're gone. Their comment is gone later on, because I go and remove them afterwards. But I feel like the scammers haven't actually been on my channel very much because they realize that I'm so diligent at removing them. But if you ever see me trying to comment or contact you in the comment section saying text me or call me, it's not me, it's a scam. Okay, I'll always have a check mark by my name, and I'll never ask you to contact me, text you, or anything like that in the comment section. Okay, if you ever see a weird phone number or anything like that in the comment section, don't call anybody in the YouTube comment section. Also, there's a lot of scams going on for Medicare, Medicaid, asking for your social security number, your driver's license number, your IRS tax returns, for stimulus checks, all sorts of scams like that everywhere, on Facebook, on YouTube, on Instagram, even through the mail. Okay. There's scams going on right now saying that the Social Security Department is going to call the police on you if you don't give them information that they want. It's a scam. Okay. The IRS will not call you. The Social Security Department will not call you. Okay. They'll send you letters, but even then, you got to be careful that it's a scam. Okay. So just be aware of all that stuff. Okay. Just be aware that there's all sorts of scams out there right now. I feel like 90% of them come from other countries. Um, but just be aware that these people don't care about you at all. I care about all you guys, so I'm just trying to look out for all you guys. Okay, so just be aware of all of that. All right. But rent assistance, mortgage assistance for homeowners, and utility assistance is available, in almost all states for renters, homeowners, and utility assistance. Okay, I have links down below in the description of this video, and I'll link you to it at the end of this video as well, so you can watch to the end and get the rest of this update. But it's one of the best ways to get stimulus money right now. This money is available from the third stimulus check package. Okay, billions and billions of dollars. There was like 40 some billion dollars. There's probably 30 some billion dollars left for rental assistance. There's going to be another $25 billion more for rental assistance. There's $9.9 billion for homeowners assistance that's just about becoming available right now. Some states are just opened it. A lot of states are kind of opening a wait list for homeowners. Okay. So if you're homeowners, again, I have a link down below in the description of this video. maybe right as this video is ending, check out the description and maybe sign up for the wait list, or kind of your state is just opening it for homeowners. Okay. Again, this just watching this channel, you're aware of this. If you went and asked 10 of your friends, probably all 10 of them do not even know about this, or 9 out of 10 of them do not know about this. As well as you might want to tell your friends and family about this channel, share this video with them as well, because this stuff is available. This stuff is available from the third stimulus check package. There's going to be more money available in the next stimulus package, $25 billion more in rental assistance. There's probably going to be more programs available as well in the next stimulus program and even the next program. There's all sorts of things like this. Even if they don't have a stimulus check per se for adults, they're going to have the child tax credits. There's going to be all sorts of different programs like this that you might need to like sign up for, or do different programs like this for. But there's all sorts of different state programs and city programs and national programs and all sorts of different things for that you guys can get. And I'll be keeping you updated for this on this program. And that's what I do here. I just kind of research all this stuff and let you guys know about this as they come about. Also, regarding the internet assistance, the $50 off per month. I want to read this to you guys. This is the website for this is getemergencybroadband.org. Okay. Write this down if you've never got it, or if you want to see this. Getemergencybroadband.org. Getemergencybroadband.org. Okay. Read this. This is a new update here. Important news. Congress recently created the Affordable Connectivity Program. This is the first time I've seen this. A new long-term $14 billion program that will replace the Emergency Broadband Benefit Program. This is the first time I've seen this, okay? In fact, I actually just checked this while I'm recording this, so it's very new to me. Live as I'm reading this here. Households enrolled in the Emergency Broadband Program as of December 31st, 2021 will continue to receive their current monthly benefit during the 60-day transition period. For more information, please visit the fcc.gov/broadband benefit. Okay, very interesting here. Very interesting. Congress recently created the Affordable Connectivity Program, a new long-term $14 billion program, which will replace the Emergency Broadband Benefit Program. This investment in broadband affordability will ensure that we can afford connections we need for work, school, health care, and more for a long time. The Emergency Broadband Benefit Program will provide a discount of up to $50 per month toward broadband service, which is your home internet service or your cell phone service, for eligible households, and up to $75 per month for households on qualifying tribal lands. Eligible households can also receive a one-time discount of up to $100 to purchase a laptop, desktop computer, or tablet from participating providers if they contribute more than $10 and less than $50 towards the purchase price. Yeah. And a lot of people qualify for this if your income is at or below 135% of the federal poverty line, which is really a lot of people. So to apply for this, you just go to that website, getemergencybroadband.org. A lot of people, and you just apply right here on this website. So looks like this is still going on, and it honestly could keep going on well into 2022. It's just another stimulus program as well. So hopefully we will start to see more and more success stories like that. If you or a loved one have recently got rent assistance or homeowners assistance, comment down below. I love to see stories like that. If you haven't applied for that yet, please go and apply. It's free to do so. It might take you like an hour of your time to do it. I have a video literally showing you how to do it. If you haven't applied for the internet assistance, do that as well. It's literally will save you $50 per month. Again, this is just, all these things add up, especially if you get the rent assistance, man. That will literally pay your rent for 3 months, 6 months, 12 months, 9 months. And again, not everybody gets it. Not everybody qualifies. But all these different programs, I'm going to keep you up to date here. There's also utility assistance as well down below in the description. I'll link you to that as well at the end of this video. Also, an update on the oil reserves. President Biden is releasing 50 million barrels of oil to try to lower the price of gas. Apparently, he's going to be selling, or the United States is going to be selling 18 million of those barrels. And apparently, we're going to be selling, or expected to be selling, 18 million of those barrels to China and India. I'm surprised that we're doing that instead of just having the U.S. use them. I'm surprised that they're making that decision. It's I don't know. It's a kind of surprising decision to me. Let me know your thoughts on this. Because honestly, the 32 million barrels that is left over, that honestly only lasts the United States like a couple days. A couple days with the amount of oil that we use here as a country, that only lasts us a couple days worth. Okay. So now we did combine that with several other countries that are releasing oil reserves as well to try to lower the price of oil as a combined release effort. But I'm surprised that we're selling the oil, or at least 18 million barrels of it. Let me know your thoughts on this. I don't know the strategic plan behind that. But I'll be interested to see if this does actually lower the price of oil here at all. Of course, we also have Senator Joe Manchin that is calling on president to restore the Keystone XL pipeline, which also could lower the cost of gas as well. Joe Manchin says right here, I continue to call on President Biden to responsibly increase energy production here at home and to reverse course to allow the Keystone XL pipeline to be built, which would have provided our country with up to 900,000 barrels of oil per day from Canada, one of our closest allies. So this would potentially reduce the cost of oil as well. We also have the Fed here ready to raise interest rates if inflation continues to run high based on the Fed interest meeting. So if inflation continues to run high, the Fed could be raising interest rates. Now that helps combat inflation, but they have to raise interest rates to do that. So there's kind of a double-edged sword there. It would help combat inflation, but if you're paying interest on things like credit cards, cars, home interest, mortgage, and if you don't have a locked-in interest rate, or if you're paying a variable interest rate on credit cards, you could see interest rates go up on that. So it's kind of a double-edged sword because it can help combat inflation, but you also could pay higher interest rates as well. So yeah, several different things there. The meeting notes says that the noted that the officials would be willing to raise interest rates, quote, sooner than participants currently anticipated. Yeah, they also indicated at the meeting that they feel conditions warrant a reduction in monthly asset purchases. This is where the Fed is buying bonds and pumping liquidity into the stock market, with some members pushing for a more aggressive tapering. So this is again, as I said, buying liquidity into the market. Minutes from the November Fed meeting shows members concerned about inflation and willing to tighten fiscal policy should it continue to run hot, which it is right now. We have the highest inflation in 30 years. Here's President Biden's message on looking into potential the gas companies on price gouging.
There's another issue that's we'll be addressing as well. Because the fact is, the price of oil was already dropping prior to this announcement, and many suggest in anticipation of the announcement. The price of gasoline in the wholesale market has fallen by about 10% over the last few weeks, but the price of the pump hasn't budged a penny. In other words, gas supply companies are paying less and making a lot more. And they do not seem to be passing that on to the consumers at the pump. In fact, if the gap between wholesale and retail gas prices was in line with past averages, Americans would be paying at least 25 cents less per gallon right now, as I speak. Instead, companies are pocketing the difference as profit. That's unacceptable. And that's why I've asked the Federal Trade Commission to consider whether potentially illegal and anti-competitive behavior in the oil and gas industry is causing higher prices for consumers, so we can assure the American people are paying a fair price for their gasoline.
So yeah, it seems like they're trying to bring the cost of gas down, but we'll have to see. Time will tell. Let me know your thoughts. So, let me know how your Thanksgiving's going. Did you watch any parades? I'll keep you up to date here. And in our 3 p.m. video, we'll have some special guests for you as well, and maybe a little turkey for you here. So, let me know your thoughts. I'll keep you up to date here, and I hope you have a very happy Thanksgiving as well. You can click here to watch my newest video next. This top video is about rent assistance, how you can apply for rent assistance. And this bottom video is how to apply for utility assistance as well. And in the description of this video is how to apply for mortgage assistance. So click on one of those videos next. Thanks, guys, and I will see you in the next video.